customized application management services to maintain your BRIM landscape. If you are an organization that is using the SAP BRIM system and require to outsource some or all of your enterprise application support, which is happening more frequently, it is highly recommended for you to choose application management services for your business. Acuiti Labs can provide support and services to maintain your existing BRIM system. Our team of knowledgeable SAP experts can completely transform the way you manage your applications. Redefine application management for your BRIM system with fully customizable solutions that can help you with improving operational efficiency, reducing operational cost, improving the time to market, enhancing automation, and enhancing application quality. SAP BRIM-based AMS services offered by Acuiti Labs. We are extremely proud of our team that comes with vast industry knowledge and experience, thus providing complete assurance of utilizing your SAP landscape in the best and optimized manner. Our SAP BRIM-based administration services includes user management, managing safety and security of apps, storage space monitoring and expansion, monitoring and maintenance SAP landscape, upgrade and migration of SAP BRIM projects. Why choose us? Acuiti Labs provide hassle-free application management services for BRIM system across the globe for businesses from various industries. A business that is already using the BRIM in their IT landscape should be choosing us because we offer AMS support irrespective of location. We are flexible with whatever model suits your needs, example shared, dedicated. We offer application management services irrespective of the size of your organization. Knowledgeable and experienced team of SAP BRIM experts in multiple industries. Flexible pricing models. Right from development, to upgrade, to maintenance, we do it all. Come see how Acuiti Labs can support you with application management services to manage and maintain your BRIM system. Contact us to have a complete view of what we offer and how we can help your organization.